And it's going down.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depending on where you're watching us from. I am Chief Ozurumba with P. Chris, my friend. P. Chris.
Yes.
You are.
I am P. Chris. You are watching us and remain blessed. We want make we do one competition here, and I want make you watch them. Judge them. I beg, more than judge them well. I don't need to make any person do pasha. Judge them well. Thank you.
This competition now, Fufu competition, no. First, we will go first finish 6 Fufu.
Let's watch this.
Don't be smart, you know.
Let's watch
eat Fufu. Come watch who go eat past you. Now, I dey here with Iburu Monkey. This man, name now waiting.
Good monkey. P.
If you count here, you go see 6 Fufu. 6 Fufu dey here. I better open as soon see. Oh man, a goosey and vegetable with better coke and pure water. Now the competition of person will go first finish 6 Fufu. Person will go first finish 6 Fufu. Oh, with 25K. So tell them when they go start. If you do 1, 2, 3, they go start so that we know we go moderate well. If you there around, come watch so that
I want make una just come judge this thing now. You see am?
na coke.
This one na coke. This one na fufu. Now, as the one starts now and where? Now, at the count of 3, when I go start. 1, 2, and remember now first to finish.
First to finish.
First to do what?
Finish.
Finish.
And if Fufu abi?
Everything
Everything with your front. Everything with your front.
1, 2, go.
Oh yeah now.
I don't want peace. I want problems always.
It is smoky book. It is taking there.
I sit and I watch him. You dey see him?
Iburu Monkey.
You dey see him?
Iburu Monkey.
There you.
Oh man.
What is happening?
Hey, are you seeing what I'm seeing? Are you seeing?
And it's going down. And it's going down.
Hey! Iburu Monkey!
And it's going down. Iburu Monkey is going on today with what? 25K. 25K. Okay, fast. Stop.
No, let me finish everything. Go to water, everything. Go to soup.
It is smoky book. It is taking there.
This man, 70 years old man. Boy, now mumu na too much. To be mumu. You think say they wise? You are a mumu man.
Oh my God.
A mumu man. Photo, not be juju be that. It's up. It's up.
Mona they watch you.
Are we watching them?
Your water never finish you.
Waiting be this. Jesus.
Are we clapping here?
Blood of Jesus. Blood of Jesus. See my head, they go inside.
And ladies and gentlemen, as we are talking now, Ibudo Monkey will be going home today with the sum of 25K. Congratulations.